right, y'all. We got my smile. We got the teeth whitening kit. Okay. All right, y'all. So, let's see. Let me open it this way for things to start falling out. No. And glad I opened it the other way. All right, y'all. So, we have our syringes with our teeth whitening. The tips, just the tip. See what you add with your teeth. It's got directions. And it has the teeth whitener with a charger. Okay. All right. Take this off. Ooh. It says to put it at the top and the bottom. I had. This is put in my mouth for 10 minutes. Let's see. Now, before we do this part, let's see what I'm giving, first of all. I'm like a 4. All right, let's see. Day 1 done. Okay? Now, if y'all want the same kit to whiten your teeth, please go to My Smile or click the link in my bio and you'll see my smile. Click that link and get you one of these. Come on, get you one of these. Okay, sis, bro. Come on.